Hello friends, today I am showing fish recipe of lotte fish. Lotte fish has various names in different parts of India and outside India. In Bombay it is known as bombil, in Kerala bommili, in China usnis, in Bangladesh loita, and in Bengal it is lotte fish. Now I am showing the recipe of lotte tandoor.
So at first you have to clean the fish, and I have already cleaned the fish previously. Then you have to add onion, garlic, green chili and salt in the required amount into the fish. Now we will have to add spices according to the required amount. At first we have to add turmeric, then add Kashmiri mirch powder, then add lal mirch powder, then add dhania powder, cumin powder, garam masala powder, and as you can see, chopped garlic. Now we will give some cumin. Then we will give some kasuri methi. Now some sugar, and salt. Now mix all the ingredients very well. Just remember, you have to put all the ingredients into the required amounts. Now add egg. 1 egg. Now we have to add some oil, white oil or vegetable oil. To add some corn flour. Now our fish marination is totally ready. We are ready to fry them in hot oil. Now our oil is totally ready, and we will now pour the fish. fishes by one side, if they are ready, if they are done from one side. Our thing has turned brownish red, so now we will put the flame off and take it down. Now we will put our fries in on a roti baker, and as you can see, hold it over the flame. We are doing this for a smoky effect. After that, serve it with cucumbers and lemon, or the way you want. So our recipe is totally ready now.